Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Okay, we are almost ready to begin our journey of data preprocessing, but first we need to get the dataset. So that's what we're going to do in this tutorial. So let's do this right now. And here it is. Just gonna put the column titles in bold. Okay, that's the dataset. So what is this dataset about? This dataset contains 4 columns: country, age, salary, and purchased, and 10 lines, 10 observations. And basically this contains informations of customers of some company, and the first 3 columns are informations of these customers like the country, the age, and the salary. And the 4th column, purchased here, tells if yes or no the customer bought the product of the company. So we have to distinguish something very important here that we will distinguish for the rest of the course. It's the difference between the independent variables and the dependent variables. So the independent variables are the first 3 columns, country, age, and salary, and the dependent variable is purchased here, the 4th column. And in any machine learning model, we're going to use some independent variables to predict a dependent variable. So that means here that with these 3 first columns, these 3 independent variables, we are going to predict if yes or no the customer purchased a product. Okay, so that's the first distinction that we really need to understand, and it's very important to do this section because the data preprocessing steps that we're going to do in this section, we will have to do it for all the machine learning models we are going to make. So it's really essential to know how to manage this, but don't worry, it's going to be very simple, and besides I'm going to give you at the end of this section a template that will allow us later to preprocess the data in a flashlight for all the machine learning models we're going to make. So I look forward to starting these steps with you, and until then, enjoy machine learning.